Managing files is basically the same as managing your images. Nothing much different. It's just a type of format. So I go to Images and Content on the left hand side, and I go to where it says Manage Files. Now once again on the left hand side you do see Import Content. You can actually import a lot of stuff into your site without doing it one by one. But if you want to go in and grab a little bit here, a little bit there from your computer or Facebook, you can do it this way as well. Simply go to where it says Upload New File, and then you're going to be able to upload a file from your computer, from Dropbox, Google Drive, a link or URL, and even Gmail. If you want to get rid of any of these files, simply click on the little red box in the top right with the X in it. And then if you want to preview it, click on the little magnifying glass to preview your file. Remember, if you hit select, it will select that file and it will insert it into your site. So once again, we're here to just manage and not really insert it. So if you want to delete it, there's very simple to do, and then you have a way to upload your file. If you need to search for a file, because maybe you have a bunch of files, simply search for file in the search bar and you'll be able to find your file. You can also sort these by names, size, and even dates. And this is how to manage your files.